Check all this out. Trying to brush her. Wait, hey, hold on. Come here. Here. Come here. Okay, hold still. Come here, baby. Let's see what we can get off of you, huh? Just be still for 1 second. I want to get it on tape. Oh, you can't see it. It was like, because when she's on here, you can see it like flying around. Like it's dusting dog fur. This is disappointing. Oh, do you see how it flew off? There we go. See on the blue? Look. See? You see? Look. Woo! It's raining dog. It's raining this one. It's raining dog. My dog. It's raining her fur all over the place. But that is why I've got this pistol to replace my hand vacuuming. Cause look at how much work that I'd have to do. And I just don't think that it's worth all my time. I think that it's better if I sing songs to dogs that will rhyme. And, let me flip this around. You are welcome. That's our freebie, babes. Love y'all, boys. Mwah.